Hey everyone, Leo with Dreaming Tree. Just wanted to pop in and thank all of you that purchased our Spring Magic Bundle released on Friday. It features our beautiful Paperwhite floral arrangement, as well as the flower bouquet paper sculpture, which you can see here in front of me. And one of the reasons I'm coming on today is to let you know that we are releasing a set of captions so that you can add a nice little sentiment to the front of your creation. So I went with Welcome Spring, Welcome Spring. I think that looks fantastic. Picked a beautiful font, and you can see here in front of me the options that we're going to give you. We have Hello Spring, Home Sweet Home, should you decide to make this as a housewarming gift for someone. Spring Has Sprung, Just Spring, and Welcome Spring. I went with Welcome Spring, but obviously you can pick and choose whichever one you want. And I did it in white because I think that I tried using like a blue glitter, but it just kind of got lost. So the white looks fantastic. So many of you have already made this, and I'm so excited. This is probably our top bundle that we've ever released, so very happy to report that. And then also, we have the Wisteria paper sculpture, or I'm sorry, Paperscape card, and you can see that here in front of me. And when you open it opens up this beautiful little scene with some wisteria, a water feature, and a beautiful bridge in the background. And of course, it comes with the Thinking of You caption, but we're including 12 additional captions. I just printed these out larger than what they're actually gonna print out as. But we have Be Your Best, Best Wishes, Big Hugs, Dare to Dream, Forever and Always, which would be great for a wedding. I Miss You, Keep Shining, Love Conquers All, Love You Always, Never Give Up, Thanks Friend, and You Are Loved. Wonderful captions to make this card versatile, more versatile than, well, I guess you could also, you can also do your own print to cut caption, obviously, because we've included a blank so that you can customize it however you want. But if you don't want to spend the time looking for a font, figuring out the sizing and all that stuff, we're going to include that in the freebie as well. So, and a couple weeks ago when we released the Befitting Birthday cards, Jennifer from the Scan and Cut group did a wonderful, very thorough video showing you how to use our print and cut files with the Scan and Cut. And then we also have a video from the previous release for Silhouette users showing you how to use the print and cut files as well. So you may notice that the captions are different and they're sized a little bit different, but the overall process is going to be exactly the same. So I don't think we're going to do a separate video because nothing's really changed aside from the size of the actual frame where the captions are and obviously the captions themselves. But so with that said, I hope you guys enjoy the added value content that we're bringing you for these new projects. The captions on the paper sculpture are going to look wonderful. Really give it that custom touch. And of course, the print to cut captions for the Wisteria card is going to take that card and make it so much more versatile for, you know, more than just thinking of you. You've got so many other occasions that you can use this for now. So anyway, that's all I really have to say. To get your copy of the new freebies, just visit our website, 3dsvg.com, and click on the free SVG section. You'll see it listed there. Thank you, and I look forward to crafting with you soon. Hey, thanks for crafting along with me. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, check out some of our other videos, and also please consider hitting that subscribe button. And don't forget to visit our site and check out our free SVG section where we have over 140 free SVG files complete with assembly videos. I look forward to crafting with you soon.